video. My nigga Dual. Ah! The Dualies. The Flowmaster's on it. What's that? Back window's already tinted? Oh, Lord. Damn. Forgot that side's locked. Spare tire out the trunk. 9C1 tires. 9C1 Caprice. 350 engine, you know, the big boy. As you can see, oh yeah, that's what I meant. Build day 1, day 2, day 3. Man, look at all of that stuff. And I love every minute of it. Oh. Whew. Yeah, look at my dash. This the steering wheel. That's the... Where the hell's my damn keys? Left them in the house. This is the dashboard right here. As you can see, the DVD player. Hey, and the TV. Oh yeah, that's pretty damn sexy. I have another video when I clean all of this stuff up. Deuce.